Imagine you are working in QGIS. So when you add your data, which is being listed here as a layer, so in this case, using the boundary of Nigeria, and it's been displayed on the map. So when you zoom out or zoom in, so you can see where you are on the map. So but when you add a base map, in this case I'm using the OpenStreetMap base map, so you can clearly see where this particular data or shapefile is actually located in the context of Africa or the whole globe. So I'm going to proceed to show us how to add a base map in QGIS. To add a base map in QGIS, so the first step is to install a plugin called QuickMapServices. So you come to the menu bar here, so you click on plugins, then you select manage and install plugins. So this interface will open. Ensure that this left option is on the all. Then you type QuickMap Services to search for the name of the plugin. So this is the plugin that we want to install. You click on it, then you click on install plugin. So it will take a few seconds. So it has been installed, so you can see. Then you can close this plugin interface. Now we have installed the plugin that will enable us to add base map in QGIS. So the next step is to go to the menu bar again, but this time around you go to web. So this is the plugin that we just installed. For me, because I've already been using the plugin, so I have all these base map products. But in your case, if you install the plugin for the first time, so you wouldn't have all these base map products. So what you need to do is to go to settings here, then you come to more services, so you click on get contributed pack. So this will download all the available base map products. Then you click on OK. You save. Then you can have access to several base map layers. So for example, if you want to add the OSM base map, so you come here, web, QuickMapServices, so you see OSM, so you can try the OSM standard base map. So if you want to add a satellite image base map, so you come to web again, QuickMapServices, then you go to, let's say, Google satellite base map, so you can see the satellite layer. So you can try several options from this base map products. Thank you.